Hi and welcome to Wine Dharma. Today I'd like to show you how I do the old-fashioned. The old-fashioned is one of the classics. It sits in between Manhattan and Martini as a cocktail. Today is a little bit neglected as a cocktail, but it's coming up again, and it's one of the most important cocktails to do, and I like it very much. This is not the best way to do it, I don't know. This is just the way I do it at home. It's quite easy. I'll show you what the basic ingredients are. That's, of course, bourbon whiskey. I use Bullet, Angostura or a bitter of your choice. Ice, of course, square glass, right glass, and something to garnish it. Let's say I use cherries and orange. Of course, very important, sugar, or I use elderflower syrup that gives it a little more flowerish scent and perfume. So basically, let's start. I took a big glass so that you can see what I do inside it. So we pour a couple of little spoons of elderflower syrup, and then it depends on how sweet you want it. I'd say that 2 or 2.5 spoons is enough. Right? Then, bitter. Your choice between 4 and 7. I use 5, and then it depends. It's not really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not really precise as a measure. Then you stir it well to begin. Alright, then you have the measure and you pour the whiskey. 2 measures of whiskey, big one. One. And 2. And then what do? We need to chill it. So we use a couple of ice cubes, small ice cubes, so that they melt inside the whiskey. They freeze it, they chill it a little bit, and they add some water, otherwise it's too strong. And you stir it well. Then we leave it there to rest, and we prepare the final glass with a big block of ice, because, well, the small blocks, they melt down quite quickly in the liquid, while the big block, it chills, it keeps it frozen, it keeps it cold, while it doesn't melt so fast. So this is the glass, final glass. Another stir, chill it well, and then we pour it inside the final glass, like so. Right? Well, basically the cocktail is ready. What we need to do is to garnish it a little bit, and I like to use, as I said, the oranges. We peel it. Be careful not to use the white part of the orange, because it's bitter and it's not nice, it's not good. Then you squeeze it a little bit on top, and then you give it a little scent of the orange. Put it in. And basically it's finished. I like to add 1 or 2 cherries. This is the dessert. Done. Well, cheers and thanks for watching.